What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're going to check out the Harbor Walk Village Boardwalk here in Destin. Let's go. So today we're headed to Destin, Florida, located in West Florida's Emerald Coast, in the northwestern panhandle of the state, known for its beautiful Gulf sand beaches, nature trails, and parks. Today we're headed to Harbor Walk Village, which is the center of Destin's entertainment district, featuring restaurants, all different types of entertainment, shopping, tons of vendors set up along the Destin waterfront where you can go paddle boating, kayaking, you can rent jet skis, you can go do some fishing, and the amazing fish village of Destin. Harbor Walk Village, as a matter of fact, is the home to Destin's fishing fleet, the largest charter fishing fleet in the United States of America, and that's where we're headed today. They charge $15, I think it was $15 to pay the park to come in, and the area is absolutely huge and it's beautiful and it's in a great location. You can go do fun things like going in the boats and doing dolphin tours. I'll link the video below. I put out a video right now about 2 months ago, I believe it was 3 months ago, when I actually went out and did a dolphin tour. So you can see that video, or you can go to the tourist spots like the Margaritaville and everything. But there's tons of great restaurants and bars here and live music scene where you could come out and you could really have a good time. And they party all night here, so enjoy. The live music is coming from AJ Seafood and Oyster Bar, which is a staple in Destin and along the Gulf Coast, the Florida Gulf Coast. I'd say the Floribama Gulf Coast area, because there's other locations also in that area, but they're known for their seafood and their oysters and everything. But they also have live music a lot. A lot of people like to hang out, have a drink outside, and enjoy, or go in and have a good time. They also have they also do boats and a lot of water fun and stuff. So that's somewhere that you definitely want to check out. Their motto is, "It's just a better lifestyle." And aside from all the adult fun you can have hanging out with friends and hanging out with your significant other and having a blast, you can also bring the kids. There's a lot of fun things to do, a lot of games and things you can do as far as the kids, so they can come out and have a good time as well. It's a really good place from a balance standpoint where you can do a lot of things as a family. I enjoyed these masks right here, the light up masks. I thought they were really cool. I think if I ever come back again, I think I'm going to get one of those. Those are really awesome. I'd love to get one of those for Halloween. I'm scared the hell out of some kids. enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have material coming out in the future. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.